Hi, my name's Matt, and I'm with Capell Flooring and Interiors here in the Meridian, Idaho area. So, just talking a little bit about caring for your carpet. Um, so, carpet in front of furniture has a tendency to get worn out quicker because our feet are there and they kind of pivot and move around a lot while we're sitting there. And the best thing is to periodically move your furniture around and reconfigure how your furniture is set up in a room so that way you're not hitting the same areas over and over. But I found these little devices on Amazon. They're actually a really inexpensive mini carpet rake. And so if you can't move your furniture and you don't have looped carpet, these work really well. So you can just get here in the front like this and you just kind of pull on it like that. Um, and as you can see, it's kind of the difference between here to here. It works really well. You just kind of pull up this area periodically. Oh, you push too hard, they can't come off. But you'll find a lot of hair and things in that. And that's okay. Just throw it away. But these mini rakes are, it's funny, I must have popped this off recently. Oh, I did to clean it. That's why it's not coming on. But anyway, if you just go like that, that's one way to see there's hair and things, but that's normal. All carpet has that in it. And then right after you do this, it's good to vacuum, and that'll kind of keep it lifted up. But if you really can't move your furniture and things around, this is a really good thing. They're relatively inexpensive. I could probably put a link in the description if somebody wants one. Um, but I would recommend having one of these, especially if you can't move your couches and things around. So this is just another tip on caring for your carpet. If you have any questions, just ask me below and I'll try to respond to you.